Hi there, it's Babs here from My Fiery Phoenix, and I have a very excited, noisy dog down here who wants me to play with her turkey toy. So hang on, let's see if I can. Let go, drop. It's turkey toy, excited dog. So we'll just get her out of the room for about a second.
Hello, puppy girl. How are you? How are you? Where's your toy? Oh, is that a good girl? Oh, where's your toy? Where's your toy? You've got your turkey. Have you got your turkey? Oh, you good girl.
And I am here today to show you a live unboxing. So it's an unboxing of the Girls That Make kit. They wrote to me asking me if I would give them my opinion on this little kit, and we shall see what's in it. I am incredibly interested to see what they've sent me. It's a melding of science and technology with soft skills that you use in sewing and yarn craft. So it's right up my alley. I love the idea of this. The box itself looks really funky. So there's a section over here, scan with Facebook Messenger, making wearable technology, earn rewards, and more for becoming ambassadors. So there's all sorts of things. There's hoodies and hats, socks. I love a sock. And t-shirts. And of course you've then got the Dare to Create logo on the side. So I will have a look at what's in this, and then over the weekend, because today is a Friday, over the weekend Amber and I will have a go at making this, as it is supposed to be for girls of Amber's age to be able to work with it, and then I will give you a review sometime next week. So there'll be another 2 videos coming out relating to this little kit, but let's see what's in it for now. So we open it up and let's see, what do we have? We have some instructions on how to use the Facebook Messenger codes, some more instructions on how to become an ambassador, so I shall look into that in a bit more detail because that looks like it could be fun. You get rewards for completing projects, and this is magnetic. So that's going to go on the fridge, so we can keep that. And we are making a sparkly bracelet today, apparently, or at least in this kit, not today. We've got some more contact information on the reverse and all sorts of instructions here for how to make it. There's alligator clips, cell batteries, holders, felt sheets, magnets, conductive threads, needles, bangles, glue, LED lights, and a printed circuit board. So this is ticking all those boxes for me. It's looking really, really exciting. So let's see what else is in the box. I'll just fold that back. So then let's see what we have. There is a needle. We have the bangle, 2 parts to the bangle. We have some felt. We have school glue. We have a whole host of lovely wiring and alligator clips. We have more thread. That's the battery holder. Oh, and we've got a sticker, which is always fun. Amber's going to like that. We've got a little circuit board, some connectors, a pom-pom, because everyone needs a pom-pom. We've got several pom-poms in here, in fact. Another board. And what's this? The fading LED controls. That's a nice little one of those. So actually, this is quite an impressive looking kit. So this is actually quite an impressive lot of kit that is inside that small box. I mean, that is a teeny tiny box for all this kit. I'm very impressed with how it was packed. I'm really impressed with this booklet that shows you how to do everything. I certainly wasn't expecting the magnet in there. So we shall take a look, and so far, first glance, it is all incredibly impressive. And I will be looking forward to making this over the weekend with Amber, and we will see how this bangle actually works. Until then, I shall leave the link for the Girls That Make in the description below if you're interested in checking them out for yourself. and I will share the video and the results of our making project from the weekend early next week. Bye for now.